next up, a very interesting knife. This is a French design, and it is more than meets the eye. Of course, if you remove the sheath, you get what you would expect from any good belt knife, a good Swedish-style blade, which would be excellent for cleaning a fish or perhaps cutting some rope. But when a little more tool is required, the monogram plate can be pressed and the blade doubles in size. Now, designs like this represent the engineering curiosity and inventiveness of early folding knife designs, and it really is quite a sight to behold. Of course, knives like this are given a little extra attention, and we have horn handles, a double lock, and a mirror finish. Quite a bit of fun. We often think of folding knives as being ways to make a normal knife smaller, but in this case, it's a way to make a normal knife even more.